Welcome to Complete Email, providing email marketing solutions for your benefit. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post. How to create an effective email marketing roadmap for your business.
Number 1. Choosing the right email marketing service provider that fits your needs is vital for your business. Just because an email marketing service provider is popular doesn't always mean that it's the best solution for your needs. You need to focus on whether it is easy to use, if it works with your business, it fits your budget, and whether or not it addresses your industry requirements. Number 2. Get your customers' permission. If you email people at random, you will be considered as spam, which is not good for your reputation. You should only add someone's email address if they willingly sign up to your list. You must also have an attractive and friendly email subject line, as this will make people open your email. Number 3. Use opt-out and double opt-in. Opt-in is when subscribers fill up a subscription form and are immediately added to your email list. This method enables you to quickly obtain more subscribers. On the other hand, double opt-in is when subscribers fill up your subscription form. They get an email with a link saying that they have to click to confirm if they want to get emails from you. It is also called a confirmation email. Using double opt-in formed emails is very beneficial for you, as you will have a list containing more engaging subscribers. This reduces the likelihood of your emails being reported as spam because they have willingly confirmed that they want to receive emails from you. It enhances your sender reputation, thus your deliverability will increase. Number 4. Grow your email list. You can grow your email list in the following ways. Import a list of known contacts. If you plan to use email to keep in touch with your existing customers, you can build your email list by importing their data into your chosen email marketing tool. Before you import any contacts, don't forget to ensure that you have adequate permission to email these subscribers. Write compelling content and a catchy subject line. Sending emails is not enough to build an efficient email list. You need to use short, clear, specific, simple, logical, and personalized subject lines to make people open your email campaigns. Once you've created a decent subject line, you need to add compelling content in your email to accomplish the marketing objective that made you create this campaign. For example, if your goal is to convince your subscribers to invite their friends to become a member of your list, sending an incentive promotion via email is a powerful way. Make your content easily shareable. You must create eye-catching email marketing campaigns if you want your subscribers to share or forward your email. Your email may contain colorful and well-designed pictures, compelling content, funny emojis, remarkable attached files, and so on. You also need to make your email content easy to share. Include buttons that enable subscribers to share it in one click on social media platforms. Offer first order discount. If you want people to join your email list, giving them a discount or coupon code is a great way to do it. A refund lowers the risk for people who wish to try your product out for the first time. Social media. Social media platforms are very beneficial for expanding reach, building trust, and generating traffic. You can use the opportunity of converting your followers on social media into your subscribers for added efficiency. You can add the Sign Up form on your bio page by using a call to action button. Paste a link to your Instagram bio that enables followers to fill up your form in one click. Pin your newsletter sign up form on Pinterest. Share attention-grabbing tweets, including a call to action. Link it in with specific individuals with whom you want to form a deeper relationship. Providing a reason to subscribe to your list is crucial for convincing your followers. For instance, you may hold digital contests requiring signing up to participate. Blog posts. Offering your popular blog content in a PDF version accessible via an email sign-up is an effective method to grow your email list. You may add a call to action at the end of each blog post. It is the right way of providing an opportunity for your readers to subscribe to your email list. Number 5. Clean your email list regularly. Having a high inbox placement rate and a validated email address are the fundamental requirements for success in email marketing. To increase them, you need email list cleaning services and tools. You must get rid of people who have not engaged with your email program for the past 6 months or more. Otherwise, your bounce rate may increase. Some email providers include Mailjet List Cleaning, Email Marker, Hubco, Zero Bounce, Quick Email Verification, Xerifa, Tickbox Bounceless. You need to break your subscribers into smaller groups based on specific criteria. It will categorize your email list based on particular groups' expectations and feedback, and will work on removing inactive users for a while. You may segment based on location. Notify your local subscribers about your local event. Preferences. Send an email to people who want to hear about blog posts or something specific. Interests. Subscribers who like product A, who like product B, or who want product. Cart abandonment. Remind people who put items into the cart but don't complete the purchase. Lead magnet. Send emails based on the topic of the lead magnet which the targeted customers opted in for. New subscribers. Send welcome mail and welcome series to new subscribers of your website. Inactivity. Remind your subscribers who haven't engaged for a while and didn't complete the next step you want. Open rate. Reward the most engaged subscribers with a special offer.
Number 6. Set an email sending frequency.
You need to have an appropriate schedule for your emails. Try not to send emails to your customers at inconvenient times. Also, if you segment your customers based on their wants and needs, you can set an email sending frequency quickly. 80% of consumers unsubscribe from emails because brands were sending too many emails. Make your offerings easy for people to take advantage of. Otherwise, you may not be as successful as you want.
Number 7. Generate mobile responsive emails.
A common way to have a look at emails is by opening them from mobile devices. You should make sure that any email you send out is easily viewable on mobile phones. Emails and landing pages not optimized for mobile devices get deleted by 80% of users. Studies show 55% of emails get opened on a mobile device. You must also consider this when you're crafting a subject line. While it may look good on your computer, it may look different on a smaller screen.